Guys, today I'm showing you some wedding essential makeup products. I hope you like it and please follow my channel and do like share my video. So first product I have is Biotic Morning Nectar Cream. It is lightweight moisturizer suitable for all skin type and 100% Ayurvedic product. It is also budget friendly and it retail for 199 only. So second product I have is Biotic Coconut Cream. I personally like Biotic product because it is so good and so moisturize my skin, and this is my third tub, so you can imagine that how much I like Biotic products. So this is a thick in texture and it is very easily absorbed in skin, suitable for all skin type, and for dry skin it is very good moisturizer. It is only retail for 199 rupees, so you can easily use it and see its good result. I have Pond's Super Light Gel. It is oil free moisturizer and it is non sticky and for glowy skin. It has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. Vitamin E is good for our skin. It is a gel consistency, so it is easily absorbed in our skin, and it retail only to 99 rupees. And after moisturizer we need to prime our skin. For that I have two options for this. First is the Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. It retail 850 rupees and it is a silicone based primer, and we receive 30 ml of quantity. And the second one is the Patanjali aloe vera gel, which retail only 15 rupees. This one is the small tube and it is suitable for all skin type. It is a gel consistency primer, so it is absorb in your skin and minimize your pores. So here I have Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Golden Beige. We received 30 ml of quantity and it retail 599 rupees, and it is good shade for my skin, and it is good for all dry and combination skin. It applied very easily and it blend very well, so you can try this foundation and you thank me later. So guys, next up we have a BB cream. Those who don't apply too much foundation, for those I have a BB cream option, so you can use this. So here I have a Garnier Skin Natural BB cream. It has a SPF 24 and vitamin C, almond extract and the minerals. Okay, so you can use this. It will give you medium to sheer coverage. After the foundation we need a concealer. So here I have two options for this. First is the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. I am in the shade 04. So this is the very good concealer, and this concealer has a great coverage and the best formula in the market, and because it is very creamy, so it is very easily apply and it is blended very well. So as you can see, it is very creamy consistency and it provide a very great coverage. So it retail only 229 rupees and it is always available on discount on Nykaa and Cuffs and Lashes. So here I have a Maybelline concealer. It is also provide a great coverage, so you can also use this. Now we have Faces Canada Compact. It is the weightless stay matte compact and it has SPF 20 and shea butter and vitamin E, and it retail 199 rupees, and I am in the shade Natural 02, so you can also use this. This is the K Beauty Kajal, 24-hour lasting, and it is transfer proof, smudge proof kajal, and it is very black, easily apply and very creamy consistency, and it retail for 249 rupees only. Now we have another option, which is Nykaa Black Magic Kajal. So it is the recently launched kajal by Nykaa, and it retail 170 rupees. So you can easily buy it from Nykaa, and it is very creamy, black and easily applied kajal, but it is not that much proved that the K beauty one. So after kajal, now we have a blush option. So I have a Swiss Beauty Pro Blush and Highlighting Palette. In this palette, we have a six blush shade and two highlighting shade. So these blushes are so creamy and so pigmented. So in this palette, three shades are matte and three are little bit has a sheen. So now you can see the pigment of these blushes. Starting two shades are highlighting shade and others are blush shades. So you can see the pigment. These are very pigmented blush. So you can use this blush palette. And now we have another blush option, which is from Sugar. So this is the Sugar mini blush palette, and it is in the shade Peach Peak. So this is very buttery soft blush, and it is very easily applied, and you can control the pigment, and you can build up the pigmentation of this blush. So now we have a bronzer from Sugar Cosmetic. It is their mini bronzer in the shade 01. It is very blendable, buttery soft bronzer, and it is suitable for medium to fair skin tone. This retail for 399 rupees only. Now next up we have eyebrow product, which is a Miss Clear eyebrow pencil. This is budget friendly and easily applied, and this is in the shade grey. Next up we have mascara option, Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. It is nice formulated and it will give you volume plus length. And next up we have Lakme Iconic mascara. It is very black, and it is also nice formulated, and its wand is nice, and this is the Maybelline wand. Next up we have a Swiss Beauty Insta Glow highlighting stick in the shade 03. Swiss Beauty products are very affordable and good in quality, so you can also use these products. This is pinkish tone. So next up we have another highlighting option from the range Nykaa. It is a Nykaa Glow highlighting duo in the shade 24K Glam 01. It has two shades. First is the champagne shade and another is the pinkish shade. The pinkish shade is suitable for the dark dusky skin tone, and the champagne one suitable for fair to medium skin tone. The pinkish shade is also used as a blusher. Next up we have eyeshadow palette. This palette is from Maybelline, the City Mini palette in the shade Urban Jungle, and it has a six shade in it. The white shade is used as a highlighter, or you can use it as to highlight your inner corner and the brow bone. It has one matte shade, which is green, and other shades are shimmery shades. So you can create a nice look with it. Next up we have lip liner option. So first I have Glam 21 in the shade Bobby Brown, and second I have Glam 21 in the shade Angel Pink L22, and third I have Miss Clear one in the shade Sandy Pink. So next up we have some lipstick options. First, I have Nykaa So Cream Matte Lipstick in the shade Your Latte. Its packaging is very cute and color coded. And this lipstick is a nude brown shade, and you can see this. It is very comfortable on your lips and the creamy formula. Next up, I have the Latte Snooze, which is a orange tinted brown color, and it is very creamy and the nice formula, and it is little shiny, and it give you a great pigmentation. It retail to 99 rupees only. So next I have Lakme lipstick. So first I have Lakme 9 to 5 lipstick. These are the primer matte lipstick. It prime your lip, and it is very comfortable on your lips. It stay 3 to 4 hour on your lips. First shade I have is M22, is Scarlet Surge, which is a maroon shade, the bottom one, which is the maroon shade, and the next M10 Red Rebel. Next up we have Wet n Wild Catsuit lipstick in the shade Give Me Mocha. It is a very beautiful mauve shade, and it is a liquid lipstick. It retail for 99 rupees. So next up we have Aladdin lipstick in the shade Pink Spice, and it is very beautiful mauve shade. It is so shiny and creamy texture. And lastly we have a Maybelline lipstick in the shade Nude Nuance, and it is a very beautiful mauve plus brown shade, and it is suitable for all skin type. Lastly we have a makeup fixer, which is the packed micro finish makeup fixer, and its mist is very fine,